I'm attorney Nick Alcock. If you've gone through a DUI arrest, I get that you probably feel bewildered and you feel stressed out and ashamed, and the process of being arrested for a DUI is really an awful and usually a traumatic one. If you've gone through that experience and you have questions about what it is that you should have done, and should you have invoked your right to counsel, should you have submitted to the breath test, we're here for you. And we understand that there's a lot of different information out there, and that you could spend a couple days online and you could hear 50, 60 different things about what it is you should or you shouldn't do. When you're arrested for DUI, there are a number of different variables at play. The biggest variable is whether or not your license is suspended. That will absolutely launch you and vault you into a different category of DUI. Whether or not there's a child in the car under the age of 15, that can also completely radically change an outcome for a DUI. And then the situation just with points and whether or not you have a CDL. So your license and whether or not you should submit to the test, whether or not you should blow in the big machine or they should take your blood. These are factors that are very, very case dependent. And so our advice is, if you have questions about, what happened during that arrest, it's such a traumatic experience, and you wake up the next day and you're trying to think so what happened there and why did it happen that way? I have found that when we talk to people who have gone through that and we walk through their history, we walk through what's happening with their license, and we walk through exactly what that police officer did, at the end of that conversation, they feel a lot better about what their case is about. They feel empowered, and they feel like there is hope and that there's a way through this incredibly dark forest. So if you've gone through this and you've got questions about, what happened and what should I have done with blood testing or breath testing, what should I have done when the police officer said, look, your license will be suspended for a year if you don't submit to this test, that's what we're here for. And we offer consultation over the phone, 602-989-5000, and you'll see that we have experienced attorneys here who care about their clients and understand the trauma and the stress that you've gone through. If you do agree to hire us, we offer affordable payments, affordable fees, truly affordable fees, because nobody who's going through this expects to go through it. And again, this is about making sure that your life doesn't end and that we don't cause financial hardship for you. That's very, very important to me. And that's one of the reasons why we got to the top. So here we are, the Renaissance Building in downtown Phoenix, and you can always give us a call, 602-989-5000. That's 602-989-5000. Text us, 602-883-8888. I'm attorney Nick Alcock. If you've got questions about what happened during the DUI arrest and you want to know why a police officer did a certain thing or didn't do a certain thing, why they read your rights, right at the very end as opposed to the beginning, should they have interviewed you, should you have answered the questions, all of these things can be answered over the phone. It's going to make you feel a lot better. We're here to help you, and I respect my clients and I respect everything that they go through. You'll feel that. You'll feel our empathy is real and that we will do everything we possibly can for you. Thank you so much for watching. Look forward to speaking with you.